Hello, and welcome back to the 10-Minute Mind. Last time we learned how to build habits. Today, we're talking about what those habits are for. We're talking about money. We are deconstructing one of the most important books of the decade, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The book's core idea is simple. Doing well with money isn't about what you know, it's about how you behave. You can be a genius, but if you can't control your emotions, you can still face financial disaster. We've extracted the 5 most powerful, actionable lessons you can apply to your life, right now. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Housel argues these are 2 completely different skills. Getting wealthy requires taking risks. It needs optimism. It needs you to put yourself out there. But staying wealthy requires the opposite. It requires humility. It requires paranoia. Staying wealthy means accepting that the world is unpredictable and that the same risk-taking that got you to the top can just as easily knock you off it. Think about it. We see stories of lottery winners or crypto millionaires who get rich quick and then lose it all. They were experts at getting wealthy, but they were amateurs at staying wealthy. The actionable lesson is survival. Your financial plan shouldn't just focus on the highest possible returns. It must focus on being unbreakable. Don't just build wealth. Build a fortress around that wealth so you can survive the inevitable downturns, and let compounding do its magic. Lesson 2. Wealth is what you don't see. Housel calls this the man in the car paradox. When you see someone driving a $100,000 Ferrari, what do you think? You don't think, wow, that driver is so cool. Instead, you think, wow, if I had that car, people would think I'm cool. We use wealth as a way to signal to others, but the signal rarely works. Housel says, spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the car you didn't buy. It's the watch you didn't wear. It's the money that's quietly sitting in a savings or investment account, compounding. The actionable lesson is, stop trying to look rich. Focus on being wealthy. Looking rich is about spending. Being wealthy is about saving. True wealth is hidden. It's financial freedom, not a shiny object. Lesson 3. The power of enough. This is one of the hardest psychological traps to escape. It's called moving the goalpost. You think, if I just get this promotion, or if I just double my income, then I'll be happy. But what happens when you get it? You immediately look for the next thing. The goalpost moves. This is made worse by social media. We are constantly comparing our real lives to someone else's curated highlights. Housel warns that if you don't know how much is enough, you will take on more and more risk. You risk what you have for something you don't even need. The actionable lesson is, you must define your enough. It's the only way to win the game. Stop the comparison. Get off the hamster wheel. Happiness is found when your reality meets your expectations, not when your expectations are always one step ahead. Lesson 4. Freedom is the highest dividend. What is the ultimate purpose of money? Housel argues it's not a big house, or a fast car, or fancy clothes. The highest form of wealth is control over your time. It's the ability to wake up in the morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. This is more relevant today than ever. We see the Great Resignation, or quiet quitting. People are not just leaving jobs for more pay. They are leaving to escape a bad commute, to escape a toxic boss. They are seeking freedom. The actionable lesson is, use money to buy back your time. Build up enough savings so that you have options. This is FU money. It's the power to say no to a project you hate, to take a lower-paying job that you love, or to take 6 months off to be with your family. That is the true power of wealth. Lesson 5. Pay the price. Nothing is free. Every good investment has a price. But that price isn't always obvious. For long-term stock market investing, the average returns are great, but the price you pay for those returns is volatility. It's fear. It's uncertainty. It's watching your money disappear in a market crash. This is perfectly seen in today's world with crypto or stocks. People want the 100 times gains, but they can't emotionally handle the 50% drops. That 50% drop is the price of admission. The actionable lesson is, see volatility as a fee, not a fine. A fine is a punishment. You try to avoid it. But a fee is what you pay for a service. The fee for good long-term returns is putting up with the short-term drama. When you see market crashes as a simple fee, you're less likely to panic. You'll just pay it and stay in the game. So, we've learned 5 powerful psychological ideas, but theory is useless without action. Let's synthesize everything we've learned into a simple 3-step action plan that you can start today. Step 1. Define your enough. This is your first homework assignment. This isn't a vague dream, this is a number. Take 10 minutes tonight. Turn off social media and write down exactly what enough means to you. Is it a 6-month emergency fund? Is it $1,000 a month in passive income so you can work 1 less day a week? You must write it down. You cannot win a game if you don't know where the goalpost is. This stops you from moving the goalpost, just like we learned in Lesson 3. Step 2. Build your freedom fund. This combines Lesson 4 and 2. Your ultimate goal is not a Ferrari. Your goal is freedom, and wealth is what you don't see. So, your second action is to open a separate high-yield savings account or a simple investment account. Label it Freedom Fund. Every single time you get paid, before you pay your rent, before you buy groceries, transfer a small amount to this fund. It can be $5. It can be $50. The amount doesn't matter. This is you paying yourself first. This is you building the hidden wealth. Lesson 2. To buy your time. Lesson 4. Step 3. Automate your staying wealthy. This is the most important step, and it relates to Lesson 1. Getting wealthy is exciting, but staying wealthy is often boring. And in finance, boring is beautiful. Don't trust your future self to remember to save. Your behavior will fail you. Go into your bank account right now and set up an automatic, recurring transfer from your main account to your new Freedom Fund. This is your system. This removes emotion. It removes behavior. It forces you to be a good investor, even when you feel fear or greed. It makes staying wealthy automatic. A simple 3-step plan. Define your target, pay yourself first, and make it automatic. That is how you truly apply the psychology of money. So, let's review the 5 lessons from the psychology of money. 1. Focus on staying wealthy, not just getting wealthy. 2. True wealth is what you don't see. 3. Define your enough. 4. Use money to buy freedom and control over your time. And 5. See volatility as the fee you pay for good returns. In the end, money's greatest value isn't just in what it can buy. It's in the options and the freedom it provides. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us at the 10-Minute Mind. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It's a tiny 1% action that helps our channel grow. Now go and build a better relationship with your money.